So last week for Palace week 6 or 5, I'm not exactly sure what week it was. It was one of those. But they released the Palace Tri-Gaine, which I was saying Tri-Grain, which makes sense because like migraine instead of my gain. I don't know why they went with Tri-Gaine. Anyway, they released that, and I thought that was like one of my favorite designs from the season. But I guess people weren't really feeling it. I kind of see it because some of the colorways were kind of missing. The yellow colorway, which was the one that sold out, and then I believe they even went back and did restocks. They might even have some on the website as of this video being up now, so if you guys do like it, it did look like stock was moving very slow for this particular design. But with that being said, this was one of my favorite designs from this season. The cereal bowl one, which also dropped last week, but I felt like going for this a little bit more. And the cereal one sold out, though they did do a restock that followed. I think that's probably out of stock as of this video going up, because this will be up a little bit after filming it. Anyway, though, I saw that Palace tees are a little bit more expensive, so I sat there with it in my cart kind of contemplating, and then I was like, I saw it sitting for a bit, so I was like, all right, I'll check out what else Palace has. I've been keeping my eye on. They have some bottle openers, and right now I currently use a bottle opener that's a magnet on my fridge, so every time I have to use it, rip it off the fridge, everything like either falls off if somebody else grabs it and doesn't know, or I gotta set it down, put it back up. So I was like, I'll get the Palace bottle opener to make it a little bit more worthwhile, because if you guys don't know, US shipping, I'm not sure how the other territories, states, countries, everything stacks up, but the US shipping is $12, which is pretty expensive for shipping, especially when you're already looking at a $48 tee. So I picked up a little bottle opener as well, so you guys will see that. But with that being said, I'll open this up. Try not to show my info right there. And I usually just kind of like He-Man these things open, but I'll try to. It has like a little perforated. There we go. A little perforated edge. Try to follow that, I guess. One thing I do like about Palace is their packaging. They always kill it. Like, they have the nicest bags and stuff. Actually, Palace just in general is a really like kind of high class brand, but you do charge, or you do pay the prices. The tees are expensive, but the tees are good quality. But anyway, you got this nice little Palace bag, whatever, nobody cares. Then we get to the Tri-Gaine tee, bunch of shit falling out. Got one of the gel packs. But anyway, on the front, I think it's a little less cool of a design, but I do appreciate that they don't just have the same design on the front as they do on the back. I think that is kind of cool, swap it up a little bit. But on the front, you got two kind of like Palace Triferg, almost like pills or like tablets, as if they were some aspirin or something along those lines. And then on the back, of course, you got the big headache, migraine, I don't know, but I thought this was probably my second favorite colorway. I did really like that yellow colorway, because the whole design was kind of in this reddish maroon, bunch of different red tones, which I thought was really cool. But I don't know about the yellow colorway, because it's just like bright yellow and then you had the red on there. But I'll throw this on. I'll get some shots of it anyway. But check out what else is in here. We got shipping stuff. They usually only send you one sticker. On like Supreme, they'll be a little more generous. So we got the white Triferg this time. Usually it's either white or black, if you guys have never ordered from Palace, I guess. And like, you guys probably can't see it too well, but it looks like it's just like white, but the background is actually clear, so you'll have like the white and then the stuff shows through. And I want to say on the black colorway of the sticker, or the black version of the sticker, instead of being clear, it's white, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Anyway, moving on to the other item I got. Oh, it's actually taped to the receipt. We have the Palace bottle opener, this little dude. And this actually came in 3 different colorways. Like I said, I had been watching it for a little bit. They released, it might have even released like last season. Palace hasn't been selling very well recently. Like a lot of their stuff stays in stock, and prior years or seasons of me following them, they haven't done restocks. Try to stop jingling, this is probably annoying for the audio. But prior years, they haven't done restocks, and then recently they've been doing a bunch of restocks. They've even been doing sales. But yeah, I've been keeping my eye on this for a while. It came in 3 different colorways. You have this kind of like magenta, pinkish, maroonish, I don't know, like yeah, I don't know, whatever. You guys can determine what color that is. And then it also came in a blue colorway and a silver colorway. And I wanted the silver colorway, but I missed out on the restock. And this was in stock, so I was like, oh, I'll get this one because I liked it more than the blue colorway. But yeah, that is the purchase. I'll put the tee on, give you guys a little fit review, do some B-roll after this. But yeah, I'll be back. While I'm away, you know right now, but I'm so far. Can you hear me crying? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? You know right now, so far. You know right now, so far. Can you hear me crying? Can you hold down? You know right now, so hard. This long distance is killing me. While I'm away, you know right now, but I'm so far. Can you hear me crying? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? Can you hear me cry? You know right now, so far. You know right now, so far. Can you hear
Do a
me
little spin around. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm like 6'2", 6'3" legally on a good day. Some higher platform shoes around that height. Pretty skinny, and kind of depends, you know. I'll border like a large and XL in some brands, but Palace, I feel like they have like the perfect fit for a large, for me anyway. You know, sleeve length is good, torso length is good. They just have some nice tees. I like their blanks. The fit on their blanks, they're good. But yeah, it's comfortable. Got the little stuff here, you know, it's like it's visual. But yeah, I like it. Add to my little mini Tri-Ford collection. I have the Tri-Fade hoodie, which I'm not crazy about. And then I also have I forget what it was called, but it was like the Mac logo one. Jobsworth, I believe. Kind of interesting release behind that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Hope your weekend's going well. Also, before I go, if you guys are interested in receiving free items, which I don't know why you wouldn't be, and you also support the channel, you know, head over to the giveaway video. I'm doing a giveaway currently. Should be open for a decent amount of time after this video goes up. If not, you know, a couple days at least. You'll have plenty of time. So the link will be in the description down below. Watch that video. It has steps on how to enter for the giveaway and stuff. What's in, you know, has all the details you'll need. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.